afternoon everyone. This is Virgie the Dreamer again from Davao City, Mindanao. A Bisayan vlogger. So currently I'm here in Hong Kong, guys. So our topic for today, it's all about personal necessities or personal hygiene, guys. Is it provided by our employer? Is it written our contract? So yan ang mga tanong, guys, sa mga aspirant applicant or sa mga baguhan dito sa Hong Kong, guys. So to make it clear in our contract, guys, hindi nakasaad doon na yung personal hygiene natin is included only our food allowance. Kung kasali ka sa food allowance ni amo, so hindi yan ibigay ni amo yung cash for food allowance. Pero pag si amo voluntary na magsasabi na ikaw nang bahala mag-budget for your food allowance, so ibigay yan ni amo. So guys, yung shampoo, conditioner, body wash, or the soap, toothpaste, ikaw na ang mag-provide yan, guys, kasi hindi yan kasali sa contract, but it depends upon the employer. In my case kasi, lahat pinoprovide ni amo from day 1 until today sa akin, guys. So kasi yung mga amo ko, guys, it's very generous and very kind. So provide lahat, kasali pagkain, lahat kung anong gusto ko, pinoprovide ni amo. So guys, for your information, kung bago ka lang dito sa Hong Kong or aspirant applicant ka or may bala ka na mag-apply dito sa Hong Kong, guys, I will tell you this na kung bago ka pumunta dito, guys, bili ka na lang dyan for your 1 month daily consumption, guys. That's all, guys, no, to make it clear na yung shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, at yung necessity mo, yung personal na gamit mo, it's not provided by the employer. But depende sa amo. Kagaya ko, si amo na nag-provide lahat hanggang ngayon, guys. So, depende sa amo, guys. Pag galanti mo amo, so you're so blessed. Pag generous si amo, magpasalamat ka kasi hindi yan included in our contract. So, hindi natin yan ma-report sa amo na hindi ka kasali sa ganun, hindi ka binilhan kasi that's not part in our contract. And that's all for today, guys. So, sobrang lamig dito because it's winter time. Nandito ako sa labas. And that's all. And God bless. Bye-bye!